Sit comfortably in Sukhasana. रीढ़ की हड्डी सीधी रखें, आंखें बंद। Bhramari pranayam to relieve stress, improve sleep, and soothe the nervous system. Inhale fully. पूरक करे सांस ले. Plug your ears closed. Make a humming sound exhaling. फिर से inhale fully. This time inflate your abdomen like a balloon. Inflate your lungs. Hold the inhalation. Plug your ears closed. Make a humming sound exhaling. Inhale fully. पेट से शुरू करें, लंग्स तक, फेफड़ों तक लाए, अंतर कुंभक में होल्ड करें, कान को इंडेक्स फिंगर से बंद करें और लंबी सांस छोड़ते हुए पर्स्ड लिप्स, क्लोज लिप्स के साथ जैसे ओम चांट करते हो वैसे हम करें. Discontinue the practice to come into Shanmukhi Mudra. Shanmukhi Mudra involves sense withdrawal. 2500 years back, Maharshi Patanjali ji said, Athayog Anushasanam Yogasya Chitta Vritti Nirodha Tada Drashtau Swarupe Avasthanam. Here and now, I'm again explaining to you the rules and the discipline of yoga. Yoga is that which brings about a cessation, a stoppage to the oscillations of the mind field. Tada drashtau swarupe avasthanam. Then and only then the seer and the seeker comes into his swarup, sahajatma swarup, param guru. So we are doing that by shutting the sight with the index fingers, the smell with the middle fingers, the taste with the ring fingers, the touch with the little fingers, and the hearing with the thumbs. अब सांस ले, इनहेल फुल्ली उसी तरह जैसे हमने अभी अभी ली थी. Inflate the abdomen like a balloon. Inflate the lungs. Now plug the ears close. अंगूठे से अपने कान को बंद करें. पूरक ले चुके हैं हम. अब हम अंतर कुंभक में रहेंगे, शुरू नहीं करेंगे. अंतर कुंभक में 1 2 3 4 काउंट करने के बाद कान को अंगूठे से हल्का सा दबा के बंद करें और फिर लंबी सी फिर से करें. षण्मुखी मुद्रा में भ्रामरी प्राणायाम. Hmm. Feel the vibrations in the frontal part of the face. अपने पूरे चेहरे पे उसके वाइब्रेशंस फील करें. Discontinue the practice. Check if this is already making you feel better. Only check. Be your own accountability partner. Only what we did, Bhramari Pranayam basic and Bhramari Pranayam with Shanmukhi Mudra itself, if done regularly, relieves the stress, improves the quality of your sleep, and soothes the nervous system. And there is not one species on the face of this planet who does not want to relieve stress. Species, including birds, animals, mammals, everyone there is dukhi. Everyone is dukhi. They want to remove stress. They want to improve the quality of their sleep. They want to soothe the nervous system. For that, I have given you this formula, which is not discovered by me. It's given by the masters. I'm only sharing it with you. We move on to what is called Anulom Vilom Pranayam to balance our secretions, hormone secretions, to improve our thyroid and thymus functioning, and to enhance our focus. I'm only telling you the 2 or 3 main benefits. Anulom Vilom itself has innumerable benefits. We get our right hand in Nasagraha Mudra, where the index finger and the middle finger come to the thumb joint. We keep the thumb and the ring finger open, the little finger open. इस स्पेस में आपकी नासिका आ जाएगी. दाई नासिका को अंगूठे से बंद करें, बाई नासिका से सांस लें, बाई नासिका को बंद करें, दाई नासिका से सांस छोड़े, दाई नासिका से सांस ले, बाई नासिका से सांस छोड़े. Alternate nostril breathing. Do this well like you have never done it before. Almost everyone knows about Anulom Vilom Pranayam, but you do it as if you are a beginner. Do it right. Balance your secretions of the endocrine system. Enhance your focus so that you don't forget. Inhale. उसी तरह योगिक ब्रीदिंग में इनहेल करना है. मतलब पहले पेट को फुलाना है, फिर लंग्स को फुलाना है. पूरे हर एक सेल को बॉडी में यह ऑक्सीजनेटेड एयर पहुंचनी चाहिए. Exhale. Make your exhalations longer than the inhalations. Keep it very uncomplicated and simple. Don't go into any advanced formulas. Very good. Continue. Continue. Don't stop. Continue. When you inhale, make sure you start inflating your abdomen first. जब अनुलोम विलोम में पूरक करते हो तो पहले पेट को फुलाना है, उसके बाद फेफड़ों को, उसके बाद ऊपर गले तक, कॉलर बोन्स तक आ जाए. आंखें बिल्कुल ना खोले. महसूस करे हो क्या रहा है. फील द ब्यूटी ऑफ दिस प्राणायाम. बी immersed in it. Meditate into it. Last round. And after the exhalation, discontinue the practice to come into Kapha Mudra. Slowly open your eyes. Join the tips of the thumb, index finger and middle finger. अंगूठे को, इंडेक्स फिंगर को, मिडिल फिंगर को ज्वाइन करें, टच करें. रिंग फिंगर, लिटिल फिंगर को ओपन रखें. कफा मुद्रा. टू डू भस्त्रिका. Kapha Mudra stimulates our metabolism and improves our blood circulation to reduce lumps anywhere. कहीं भी lump हो गए हो तो वो lumps को melt कर देते हैं कफ मुद्रा. It improves vitality and balances excess kapha dosha. In this we do inhale, exhale, inhale, exhale. जो भस्त्रिका है वो सिर्फ लंग से करेंगे, फेफड़ों से. High blood pressure people will do this slowly. Low blood pressure people will do this extra fast. नॉर्मल ब्लड प्रेशर रहता है जिनका, बिना गोलियों के नॉर्मल पेस मेरी तरह करेंगे. फास्ट इज लो ब्लड प्रेशर वालों को. स्लो इज and normal is continue this in kapha mudra on either side of the shoulders or rested on your lap. Continue, continue, continue. जब सांस भरो तो ऐसे ही भरो ना. ऑक्सीजन ऐसा भरो ये समझ के कि दूसरी बार नहीं मिलने वाला है, दूसरी सांस में मिलेगा ही नहीं. और छोड़ो जब ऑक्सीजनेटेड और एक्सपेंडेड एयर, उसमें कार्बन डाइऑक्साइड बहुत है, तो ऐसा छोड़ो कि बस खाली हो गए, जगह कर दी नए ऑक्सीजन के लिए. I motivate you all a lot. Do it well. Bhastrika, don't stop. Get mastery over it. Continue Bhastrika. Bhastrika will help you discontinue medication in case you are in any. Before you discover whether pills can make you healthier or not, let's talk about a person who is a millionaire, who is a tech and the entrepreneur, who is a man with unlimited resources. He has spent millions on reversing aging, on plasma transformations, on so many experimental treatments, the most advanced medical procedures, specialized doctors monitoring every inch of his body, that too every single day. He followed everything that top medical experts told him, until one day he stopped because it did not work. The most expensive treatments did not work. The most elite medical experts failed totally, all of them. His biological age barely changed. His body still followed the same natural process. Because even with all the money that he had, he could not escape the truth. Just like people with all the money that they had could not escape COVID. We cannot outsmart nature. Now think about the pills that you may be taking, the so-called cures that you trust. Do you really believe they will work when even the wealthiest people have given up? Medical science is not advanced enough to reverse the laws of nature. Then why is there blood pressure in the richest families? It will never be able to advance enough to reverse the laws of nature. Good health does not come from hospitals and pills. It comes from how you live, how you eat, how you move, how you sleep, body balance, and how closely you follow nature's rules. How you breathe. Between one breath and the next is life. Yet, most people ignore this. They cling to useless treatments that will not work. They believe in a medical industry that profits from disease, not give you good health. And the only way you can live long and healthy is to live the way nature intended. Discontinue Bhastrika. Watch your breath. See how you feel at this time. Continue staying in Kapha Mudra. If you are ready to stop chasing false hopes and start living the right way, immediately start the improvement that you felt. Yes, I show you that. The truth about health. Now open your mouth wide to do what is called Ujjayi Pranayama. Inhale. Exhale. Helps reverse hyperthyroidism, boosts your energy, supports healing, beautifies your voice. और ये तो सिर्फ 4 बेनिफिट है. उज्जय के कम से कम 400 बेनिफिट्स है सच में. इसीलिए उसका नाम ही उज्जय है. उज्जय का मतलब ट्रायम्फेंट एंड विक्टोरियस, ऑन टॉप, टू गुड, द बेस्ट. नाउ क्लोज योर माउथ हाफ. Now close your mouth completely. Continue उज्जय. जब आप उज्जय की इनहेल लेते हो ना, तो पहले पेट को फुलाएं, फिर लंग्स को फुलाएं. Now you have to close your mouth. You have to rub inhaled and exhaled air in your throat pit. You are full and then you are empty. Last round. Don't miss on a single Ujjayi breath to experience the benefits of its magic. You can continue this for the entire day. And every moment, bit by bit, you will start seeing magic unfolding. That's my promise to you. Discontinue the practice to cool your body, reduce inflammation in the body, and soothe your gums. Do Sheetali Pranayama. Fold your tongue, bring it as out as possible. Inhale. Now tongue in. Exhale in Ujjayi from your nostrils. शीतली प्राणायाम करें, आपकी बॉडी को शीतलता देगी. कहीं भी अंदर में इन्फ्लेमेशन, किसी भी तरह का इन्फेक्शन या सूजन हो तो उसको रिलैक्स करेगी और गम्स के जो प्रॉब्लम हो उनको रिवर्स करेगी. शीतली प्राणायाम. Last round, Sheetali. Tongue in. Exhale this time in 3 parts. Viloma Pranayam. Exhale 1/3 Ujjayi. Ujjayi तो चालू ही था exhalation में. Exhale 1/3 again Ujjayi. Exhale completely Ujjayi. Discontinue the practice. We now come into a mudra, healing touch, Shankha mudra. This mudra involves forming a conch shell shape with your hands helping balance thyroid function, promote overall energy flow. Put your thumb in the center of the other palm, close it and put your middle finger to touch the thumb tip. Shankha mudra. And do a Bhramari pranayam. Inhale fully. Shankha mudra is to promote overall energy flow. Energy is very, very important and required. Energy is not only about feeling strong. Energies are very much required to soothe your nervous system, to sleep better, to reverse stress. So we are combining Shankha mudra with Bhramari. Discontinue the practice. First, open your eyes and watch me. Open your eyes. Interlock the fingers, extending the thumb to form a linga. Now extend the other thumb, form a triangle. This mudra boosts immunity, dissolves fibroids, supports the reduction of lipomas by enhancing circulation and energy. Linga mudra. Linga mudra. Take it near the nose. Now Inhale from the left nostril, exhale from the right, inhale from the right, exhale from the left. Anulom Vilom Pranayam to balance your functions, to come into body balance, to enhance your focus without using your thumbs in Linga Mudra. फिर से कहती हूँ, लिंग मुद्रा के बेनिफिट: बूस्ट इम्यूनिटी. मज़ा नहीं आ रहा है, लो फील कर रही हूँ, शरीर में ताकत नहीं है, लिंग मुद्रा हेल्प्स. शिवलिंग का है भाई. डिसॉल्व्स फाइब्रॉइड्स, सपोर्ट्स द रिडक्शन ऑफ लिपोमास बाय एनहांसिंग सर्कुलेशन. सर्कुलेशन बढ़ता है, एनर्जी मिलती है. बाप रे, कितना कुछ दे दिया लिंग मुद्रा आपने. और अनुलोम विलोम प्राणायाम ने तो कितना कुछ दे दिया. और लिंग मुद्रा और अनुलोम विलोम प्राणायाम का जो कॉम्बिनेशन है वो प्लस नहीं होता है, वो मल्टीप्लाई होता है. इट्स नॉट एडिंग, इट्स मल्टीप्लाइंग. लास्ट राउंड, विजुअल अनुलोम विलोम प्राणायाम. Inhale from the left, exhale from the right, inhale from the right, exhale from the left. Slowly open the mudra after the exhalation to finally touch the tip of the thumb to the middle finger and the ring finger to detoxify the body, aid digestion, and address any other issues which are perturbing you, because this is about apana vayu. Apana vayu mudra. In this, inhale in Sheetali, tongue in, exhale in Ujjayi. Continue. Lymphatic drainage is happening. Detoxification is happening. Digestion is getting better. Two more rounds. Discontinue the practice. Bhramari Pranayam, Anulom Vilom, Ujjayi, Sheetali, Bhastrika, Kapha Mudra, Shankha Mudra, Linga Mudra, Apana Mudra. All this together, that is the power of breath work. That is the beauty of being in my community. And that is the result you get if you show up regularly. There is no doubt about that. Slowly open your eyes and rise. Hari Om Tat Sat.